Look at with me page 204. Question number 1. If 2 points A and B are 2 vertices of right angle triangle ABC, then the point C could be what? Okay, we can draw the coordinate here. Okay, draw the coordinate. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 4, and 5. And the first point 1 and 2, 1 and 2, it's point E, and point B 5 and 4, 5, 2, 4 here. This was point P. We want to find point C to right angle triangle. First point maybe here or maybe here. If we draw this point here, we can get the right angle triangle if we have 1 and 4. Okay, or if we have 4 and 2, we will have right angle triangle. This triangle or this triangle. Then we have two solutions, 1 and 4 or 4 and 2. 1 and 4 here, choose letter A. 1 and 4 is the point to get right angle triangle. Then the point C will be 1 and 4 or 4 and 2. But 4 and 2, we haven't 4 and 2. We have 1 and 4. Choose letter E about this example. Okay, choose letter E. Question number 2. If the point 4 and 1 is one of vertices of square, its side length is 4 units, then the other vertices square could be what? Okay, we have the first point was 4 and 1, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. First point 4 and 1. Here it was the first point. Second point will be what? We can write 1 and 1. Okay, here we have 4 units. 1 and 1, it will be 3 units. We have 0 and 1. To draw square, count with me 4 units here. So point 0 and 1. And count 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we will going to here point was 0 and 1, and this point 0 and 5, and this point count for 1, 2, 3, 4 here to get square. To get square, all sides are equal lengths. The length of each of them was 4 units. Then we have 4 and 5. We have 0 and 1 and 0 and 5 and 4 and 5. We have in this result about solution. Or what? 0 and 1 here, 0 and 1, and we can draw this square down. We have 4 solution about this example. It's the first solution, but this solution we haven't this solution in the results. You can draw down here, -1, -2, -3. Count with me 4 units from 1, 1, 2, 3 here, going here, and going 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we will have 4 units. The first order here, 0 and -3, and this point 4 and -3. Okay, then we have 0 and 1. Okay, 0 and 1, 4 and 4, 4 and -3, 0 and -3. We have 0 and 1 here. Choose letter P. The result will be letter B. Okay, choose letter B. Because we have 0 and 1 here, and 4 and -3, and 0 and -3. We have 1, 2, 3, 3 solution. Okay, 3 points will be letter B. 0 and 1, 0 and -3, 4 and -3. Choose letter B about this example. Question number 2, choose letter B. We have 0 and 5, 4 and 5, but 0 and 5 and 4 and 5 we haven't in the result, so we must choose letter B. Okay, choose letter B. Question number 3. If A was 1 and negative 1 and B was 4 and negative 1 are two vertices of rectangle, its side length is 5 units, then the other two vertices will be what? Okay, I will draw coordinate here. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 and negative 1 here, and 1 and negative 1 here. Okay, we can draw rectangle up or down. We have the distance between first point and second point for 3 units. He give us in the example, he tell us 5 units was the length, so we can going up 5 units or down 5 units. Okay, going up 5, draw up here 5 units, or draw down 5 units. Okay, understood? Okay, we have one solution from the result to draw rectangle. Okay, look at here, it's coordinate about question number 3. First point 1 and negative 1 here, and second point 4 here, 2, 3, 4, 4 and negative 1. It's the first point A and second point, and we can go up 5 units because he tell us the length was 5 units. Count with me, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Going here, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then the order here will be 4 and 4. And going up 5 units, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Then the order here will be 1 and 4. 1 and 4. Then we have 1 and 4 and 4 and 4. But 1 and 4 and 4 and 4 here, yes, letter C. Okay, we have rectangle here. First point E, P, and second 2 points will be 1 and 4 and 4 and 4. Choose about question number 3. Choose question number 3. Choose letter C. The 2 points will be 1 and 4 and 4 and 4. Why? Because it tells us this figure will be rectangle and the length was 5 units. We have here 1 units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Count here from 0 up 0 by 4 units, and here 1 units. 4 plus 1 equal 5. Okay, understood? If we haven't two solution here, you can draw down. If we haven't 1 and 4 and 4 and 4 in the result, you must draw rectangle down. Okay, but we have exact result 1 and 4 and 4 and 4, so the result will be letter C. Okay, we have two solution about this example. Question number 4. If point A 1 and 3 and you give us point C was 4 and 1, and he tell us AB perpendicular to BC, it's meaning we will have right angle triangle. Okay, if we draw 3 points join us by a ruler, you will get right angle triangle because AB perpendicular to BC. Okay, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 3. 4 and 1. Then the point C will be here. He tell us AB perpendicular to BC. Where AB? It's the first point E and second point B. It was C, and this point will be B here. It will be 1 and 1 because it tells us EB perpendicular to BC. Then the point here will be 1 and 1. Okay, understood? Choose letter 1 and 1, letter D about question number 4. Okay, again, he tell us in this example ABC is right angle triangle, or EB perpendicular to BC. Then when you draw this triangle or EB and BC, you must know B is right angle triangle, because EB perpendicular to BC. Here again, first point 1, 2, 3, it was point A, and 4 and 1, 4 and 1 here, point C. Then the point B will be here, 1 and 1. Okay, the point B will be 1 and 1. It's point B, 1 and 1. Okay, 1 and 1. Last question, number 5. Look at here, in the opposite figure, if B is the image of A by reflection in the x-axis and D is the reflection of A by reflection y-axis, then the coordinate of the point C such that ABCD is rectangle what? Okay. First step, we must get the point A. Look at here, A coming from 4 to 3, from 4 to 3. Look at here, the point here plot at 4 and 3. It's order about point A, 4 and 3. Okay, and he tell us what in the example? He tell us the image about point A. B is the image of A by reflection in x-axis. B is the image between B here is the image of A by reflection of x-axis. Okay, reflection of x-axis about this point here, we must put x and change the sign of y. Okay, we have reflection of x-axis, any point, the order of it x and y. If he tell us the reflection about x-axis, we must put x here 4 and change the sign of y. 3 will be negative 3. Okay, and he tell us D is the reflection of A. D is the reflection of the point A, 4 and 3 by reflection at y-axis. Okay, reflection about y-axis, it's meaning what? Put y here and just change the sign of x. Okay, change the sign of x. Then we have point A, B, D, and he want to find the point C to get rectangle. Okay, I will draw now. I will draw the graphical and put the point A and B and D and ask yourself where is the point C to get rectangle. Okay, first step, I will draw here the coordinate. Okay, my students, we will draw now what? The coordinate. The first point 4 and 3, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Here 1, 2, 3 and 4. First point 4 and 3, 4 and 3. Here it's point A. And second point P, 4 and negative 3, negative 1 and negative 2, negative 3. He tell us 4 and negative 3, 4 and negative 3. Here it was P. And the point D, negative 4 and 3. Here negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, negative 4 and 3 here. Then the point C will be here, will be negative 4 and negative 3. It's point C. Okay, then we will draw the rectangle here. The point C will be negative 4 and negative 3. Negative 4 and negative 3. Okay, negative 4 and negative 3 shows letter B about question number 5. Okay, understood this example?